Hobby Science Lab.
Welcome to HobbyKidsTV. We're gonna make a magnetic fidget spinner. Here's all the things you need. Let's get started with our amazing mold putty.
HobbyKidsTV.
To make our mold, we take equal amounts of both A and B. Mix them together. I only have a couple minutes, so I have to work fast. Now that it's nicely blended, I flatten out my piece as much as I can. I have a fidget spinner here. As you can see all the LEDs on it. I thought it'd be nice and fun. But I really like the shape of this one. So I'm going to make sure I get into the crevices really well. Make sure it's kind of cupped here so that whatever I pour in doesn't spill out. I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes.
What is that?
This is part A.
Wow, I thought the letter A was more of an A shape. Ooh. Let me guess. Part B.
Part B.
Oh.
Okay, you're on to me.
Hi, buddy.
Gotta do equal parts.
Ooh, that's so fun.
You mix them together like this, and then you stir it.
Ooh.
Put our magnets.
Oh, I hope they don't attract to each other.
Oh, I hope not
man.
either.
Don't attract to the bearing.
2
Oh.
and
Oh.
Why is it hot?
That's a chemical reaction.
Oh my goodness. It's already starting to set.
OMG.
It is really hot. Oh my goodness. This is turning me into a nightmare.
Yeah, just let it pour in.
It's like snot.
How's that turn out, Abby Mom?
One side is kind of...
Oh, a little funky monkey.
But the other two sides might be alright.
Whoa. Is it hot?
Whoa.
That's cool.
I could paint the magnet too. Oh, secret.
Secret magnet spinner. Ooh.
We make another one and add some fun emoji charms to it. Keep watching.
We'll just trim off this edge a little bit and get this thing to spin.
Hello.
Awesome, it works.
A little off kilter.
Just a little bit.
So, you know, you're playing with your fidget spinner and you're about to eat a burrito or something. You just want to, like, put it there and it falls. Oh, my burrito's done. Here, I'm gonna put that there. Wait. Get my burrito. And then keep fidget spinning.
We're gonna stick our fidget spinner on the board. So cool. I'm gonna hot glue these little charms to the back side of the magnet. You can technically hot glue anything you want. Maybe some macaroni.
It really looks homemade.
Make a necklace out of it. There we go. See? I say we should add some puff paint to this guy and give him some fiery hair. That's what kind of expression he has on his face, right? He looks very concerned. And this guy... There. Now his look is complete. Maybe we should give him some hair. We'll give him a blobby hair. There, that looks better. This guy, he needs some curly hair. So let's give him some curly hair. Some better eyebrows. Now that it's all painted, we can magnetize it to our board. Super cool. Okay, yeah, this one's a little funky looking, but it's still fun. It sticks. So cool.